Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a new Vegas Pro 16 tutorial on a masked text transition. It's a real gorgeous effect. It's similar to the ones I've done in the past, but this one gives it a twist to give it a real beautiful looking effect to it. So this is the clip we're working with. It's a time lapse of a city. So let's begin. So insert video track. Let's go to media generators. Select legacy text. Check out the first track. I'm just going to call this city. And change the font to a nice thick font. This works best with thick fonts. Change the impact. And don't use the font size to change the font size itself. Because what happens is when you're zooming in past the font, you're going to get jagged edges. So use scale. So go to properties, use scaling. Right there is good. And then the letters are a little bit too close together, so we'll go tracking, just a little bit, break them up a little bit there. That's good. That's good for now. Now, under compositing mode, select multiply mask. Go to solid colors, drag this to the bottom track. On your second track, make compositing child. So now I have a white background to work with. So let's go back into generated media. Under effects, let's add a drop shadow. Let's give it kind of a 3D look. So we'll change this and change the feather. So it stands out. It's kind of almost like a 3D look to it. I think it looks fairly good right there. Okay. So let's go to Event, Pan and Crop. So we're going to make it static. We're going to put a keyframe right here, add keyframe here. Drag the cursor right to the end. Make sure lock aspect ratio is checked. Make sure it's on. And then zoom into one of the letters. So here we're going to zoom in to a T. So you put it back, looks something like this. Now it's turning black because what happens is multiply mask affects the track below it. So a way to get around this is just hit the S key to split it, insert a video track, and put this clip above it. So now when you play it back, it's a seamless transition. So that's all you have to do to create a text mask transition. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find it helpful, if you browse my videos, I guarantee you'll find one in there you like. So once again, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching.